You've all heard the saying that no two are alike, and this seems as good a time as any in the heart of winter to take a close look at snowflakes. Indeed, each one that lands in your yard has a unique story to tell. Now, to get a snow crystal, you actually need minute particles of dirt or clay in the air, some of which have a crystal structure similar to that of ice. We call these ice nuclei. Water vapor molecules find that structure appealing, and at temperatures below freezing, some deposit onto those particles. How the snow crystal grows from there depends on the temperature of the air and how much moisture there is. For example, at temperatures just below freezing and relatively low moisture content, ice crystals tend to resemble thin plates, while at the same temperature but higher moisture, you get stars or dendrites. At slightly lower temperatures, snow crystals are more elongated. If moisture content is low, they tend to look like columns or tall prisms, but more like slender needles if humidity is higher. Once temperatures get down into the 0 to 10 range, snow crystals again look more like plates and dendrites, while a combination of plates and columns form when temperatures are very low, -10 or below. Why snow crystal shapes change so much with temperature is still a bit of a scientific mystery. But as a general rule, when humidities are low and snow crystals are very small, they're mainly in the shape of simple prisms. But at higher moisture levels, more complex shapes form as branches sprout from the corners. Now, a snowflake can be a single snow crystal, a few snow crystals stuck together, or large bundles of snow crystals that fall from the sky. Given the complicated processes by which they form, the chance that any two will end up looking exactly the same under a microscope is indeed very, very small. One of the first to test this idea was a Vermont farmer named Wilson Bentley. Back in 1885, he was the first to photograph a single snow crystal, and in 1931, he published a book of his photos titled simply Snow Crystals, showing off more than 2,000 images. More than anyone else at that time, Bentley introduced the world to the complexity, beauty, and uniqueness of snow crystals. There's even an award-winning children's book about him titled simply Snowflake Bentley. The title of modern-day Wilson Bentley probably goes to Dr. Kenneth Lebrecht, professor of physics at the California Institute of Technology. His website, snowcrystals.com, is the place to go on the web for everything about snow crystals. He's written several books about snowflakes, and the U.S. Postal Service even created a set of stamps using 4 of his photos. His images have also appeared on stamps in Austria and Sweden, countries with a long tradition for making the most out of snow. Whether it be plates, columns, needles, or dendrites, stay tuned. In a moment, Ben will let you know if there are any snowflakes in our extended forecast.